Okay, so we're setting up a menu book. Step hand with him. Because yeah, most of the time you don't really as you can see, he's looking with some cool. And I put his shoulders on. And I push forward on. Those doors, it will not work, so you don't try to do something like it, just try to do something like nothing, like anything. And I know it doesn't, he said he was not supposed to be working step head, but yeah, so I know, I just want to make sure. Pretty cool, huh? I don't know if it's still working or not, but I was wondering if supposed to be like if you want the bottom to come down. Okay. I mean, it's not easy to put the gear on. It was some, I thought I would get buckled on the motor, so that way it doesn't, now I'm going to touch his arms and then his head. And should be good. So, yeah, I don't know if it's still working on. Because he's just sitting and storing on maybe like since last year. And I have to hold. You have to touch his arms. It don't matter which side it goes. You can pose the arms if you want, but yeah, I don't know if he still works or not, because it's like last year. And he will be activated again, because I just want to make sure it still works. Something like that, because then, I said at the same time, everybody doesn't understand how it is. But I like it. I don't understand. And if you pull, when you pull the sleeves on the leg, I sometimes I always put them on. And that's it was on the arm, and then we'll do it to the head. It should be good. It should be good. This is on here. Okay, so and last but not least, we're gonna put this head on him. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is put his head on. And then we should be good. So here's his head right here. Into his head, onto his body. Put into the wires and all that. head on. I don't want this head as you go. Yeah, there we go. Now that is not just two wires like this, we're going to make his eye right up. And then, there we go. I don't know he's still working on it. I don't know he's still working on it, so we're gonna make sure he still works, as you can see, because as you can see, he looks pretty cool in my opinion. So let's try to fix his head a little bit, but yeah, so we gotta make sure he still works, so you see a really nice looking werewolf.